Welcome back to Coyote Classics here in Green, Iowa. Today we're checking out big block 1968 Chevy Camaro. Really a sharp looking car. Big block underneath the hood, 4-speed manual.
It's got 4-wheel disc brakes too.
4-wheel disc, yep.
It's a great resto mod, custom interior. It's a really cool car. RSSS, as far as we know, it's got the cowl hood, the working hideaway headlights. Let's go ahead and I want to show you how those work quick.
They're electric, they fly right open.
But best of all is what's under this hood, just how they did it.
Yeah, a lot of money spent on building this car.
Look at that.
Dual electric fans, engine compartments just show quality.
The quality of the paint under the hood, chrome. I'll go ahead and shut it off. It's even got an electric water pump on it.
So electric water pump, electric fans, big Be Cool aluminum radiator, MSD ignition, headers, you name it. Looks like it's got a heat shield for the starter as well, having those headers on there.
Got a 396 in it, right?
Underneath, check out the undercarriage pictures. Beautiful underneath too. I mean, they went chrome crazy. Chrome gas tank,
really?
Chrome rear end cover. I mean, suspension's beautiful.
The paint's a little older, so this is an older show car. You can tell by the MSD ignition, stuff like that on it. It's an older show quality car. Someone built probably 15 years ago. But as far as the next owner just modified it even more, right? You got the 4-wheel disc brakes. You could tell the chrome and stuff like that under the engine's been done not too long ago. Hideaway headlights, like you said, they fly open. It's even got exhaust cutouts. It's a cool car.
I like the wheels too. Those chrome kind of Rally SS wheels, a nice stance, nice exhaust, the chrome ladder bars. Like I said, and from right here, paint looks show worthy. You know, show winning, it looks like right here. It's got a really nice shine, but when you get up close, we'll point out some imperfections. Nothing's perfect, but even the finish of the paint on the hood and everything looks great.
The thing is when you drive them, right? You drive them, you take them out, and it's done. It's been done quite a few years ago. I don't have the receipts to tell me exactly when, but it's definitely been done. I'm guessing 10, 15 years ago.
Like little stuff like this, we're just talking. Like some rack chips have been touched up, some that haven't been touched up yet.
And you'll see some here right along this little edge here. It's got a few little chips, and there's a couple tiny chips here. Just minor stuff. When they did it, looks like they did all new chrome, rocker molding, dual mirrors, all that stuff when they did it. It's got a great stance too, don't it?
Yeah, it does. It sits awesome. Hood lines up good.
You know, and being a 396, right, with a 4-speed RSSS, you know, like I said, in 68, you can't tell. You know what I mean? You can tell that it's a factory V8 car or 6-cylinder car. This was a V8 car. Other than that, that's really all we can tell as far as on motor tranny setup.
A couple of chips that have been touched up here.
It's definitely got a dozen, 20 things, little things on it. It's got a tiny, tiny ding here, right here, just about the size of your end of your pinky. I don't even know if you can see it there. And a little outward right here. Something was in the trunk or something. It just has a little chip there and a little chip there.
Yeah, I love this stance. Here.
I'll get the door for you, Herdy. The door fits nice too. All along the bottom here, it fits good. Corner of the door's had just a little bit of work you can see, but it's nice and thin still. See it? Jam paint, rubbers are new.
Door panels look new, they're awesome.
Everything matches, you know, the carpet color matches. I mean, it's a good looking car.
That's cool. I didn't notice these are little Chevy emblems. I
didn't either. And that's what they are in the seats. Hell, I didn't even notice that.
I thought it was like a lightning strike or something.
Lightning strikes, yeah. It's got speakers in the kick panels.
Seats are nice and comfortable.
They are.
Got the console.
And they lean back, you know.
Paint on the dash is great. Dash pad's nice.
And in the console, it's got nice aftermarket gauges in there. I mean, you can buy them that way. All that stuff works. Roof rail rubber looks good.
Headliner's nice and tight.
Yeah, headliner even matches on the sail panel. I mean, somebody spent a lot of money and they did a lot of professional things to it, but it's just dated.
Yep.
Right?
Here, I'll get the trunk for you.
Thanks. On the back trunk lid here, there is some paint imperfections back in here. Some little tiny bubbles right in the middle. There's some little issues, a few little issues right there.
It looks more, to me, more like prep, you know.
It is,
Prep work from a long time ago.
Trunk lid's real decent all along here. Look at that, show you that.
So that's...
Jam paint's nice. What's this, D?
I think that's like an old board or something for...
That they had, like a show board.
I don't know. the show board or if it's like the paneling for that they put back there. But
they had some mirrors and stuff under here too. You can see they had mirrors.
Yeah, because Undercarriage, like I said, they spent a lot of money on that too. So when they went to shows, they propped up the mirrors, and I'm guessing
what they are. Probably
these are
Look,
big
they're
mirrors.
mirrors, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're mirrors. They're just covers. See them?
Yep.
Yeah, they have mirrors. I mean, that's
the kind of car it is. You know,
Yeah.
they're very proud of the Undercarriage too.
It's a cool car. I hope it drives as good as it looks. I have not been behind the wheel of this one. And if we look up and down the sides, as we looked here, besides those couple tiny little dings we pointed out, it's a nice straight car. It's got some nice wide meats on it. It's got chrome traction bars. The roof sail area is nice. Doors nice tucked in all at the bottom and everything here on the driver's side. Rear quarters nice. Behind the wheel. Up and over is good. There's a tiny little paint imperfection right there. Not sure what it is. Same thing, that door fits really nice in here on the bottom. Dog legs nice, rocker and all that looks good. Got a little scratch that's been touched up here. I mean, this was somebody's pride and joy for a long time.
Yeah.
Dual chrome mirrors. We open up the door. Corner of the door is awesome, nice and thin here. Rubbers are nice. Door jamb paint was all done professionally when it was done. Let's take her for a spin, shall we? Now this has got the factory tack too. I'm gonna have you hold this, baby. It's got the factory tack and gauges, which is nice. Looks like we got a radio delete panel. Let's see what we got, shall we?
Heater fan works.
Heater fan. Sounds like it's got an electric fuel pump, D.
You do have radio delete here, but you got a nice little radio in the glove
That's
box.
nice. Let's see if it works, shall we? Oh, geez, it's gonna be one of those.
It's on demo, but I'm guessing.
Hit source.
Tuner.
Day and night.
It's got a nice little system in it too, a little bass. Christmas music. Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Being a RSSS, like I said, with all the stuff on the outside, they went ahead and did the factory tack too.
And the clock works on this
Yeah,
thing.
clock works, tack works, turn signal indicators work. Listen to it. It sounds awesome. It's got exhaust cutouts here.
Cool
Not
car.
that I use them very much, but dome light works too, so that works. Like I said, horn works. The only thing we got to fix is the wipers. We got a new wiper switch coming for that. It just feels just a little bit funky there, so we'll get those fixed. Gas gauge works, oil pressure gauge works, volt gauge works, and temp gauge is at 100. Let's see if that, yeah, that's starting to come up too. Just come off 100 a little bit. Clock works. Take her for a spin, shall we? These seats, you mentioned it before. I know they're not factory, but they are comfortable.
Yeah, they are.
And they're power. Mine's power.
That's nice.
It
Yeah,
works.
driver's side power. Nice.
It's cool, ain't it?
Yes, it is.
It's power adjustable. Up, look. Up, down. It's nice.
Yeah.
Like I said, older restoration, but still very functional, very great looking. And just like always, it's just probably should keep warming them up a little bit. Just so you know, people that watch the full video, when we get them back, you know, we do our salt video before they go out. We always power wash them one more time under there, make sure we get the salt off this time of year. You know what I mean?
Yep.
We're just gonna cruise it right now, get her warmed up good. Speedometer works, tack works. There's your four-wheel disc brakes, and they stop really nicely. I like it's got power seat.
Yeah, that is nice.
We'll wait for him. What else do you want to say about her, D? I don't know what this is.
It's a cool car.
This had some lights, kind of.
Got some little red lights under the dash we got rid of.
We weren't fond of the red lights. Steering feels good. It's manual steering, but the steer's nice. Got a nice steering wheel. Horn works.
Man, goes sideways.
Those
got
four
some balls.
barrels. I think we put a different carb on this thing. Is
Yeah.
what we did. And like I said, it's not all warmed up, but we could tell it wanted to roll.
Yeah.
A 4-barrel kicked in and it got way too much power. for the road condition.
Yeah.
It's a good car.
Yeah, goes down the road.
Look at that. Steers absolutely perfect. No hands on the wheel. Temp gauge just started to come up a little bit. Can you get those shut?
My outside air vents were open. It was getting a little chilly.
Oh, it's got speakers down there.
They work though. The slides are just a little above them.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, because mine's closed now.
Speedometer seems very accurate. 60 mile an hour, we're doing 2,300 RPM. We'll kind of go through the gears and go through our synchros too on the way back.
4-wheel disc brakes are excellent.
Yeah, they stop awesome. Also, I like that it's got the factory shifter and it's got the slide and everything with it. The factory console. I should say not the factory shifter. I'm not sure if it's got the factory shifter or not.
Looks like it has line lock as well. It's her shifter and it's got the little button for line lock there too.
Just in case you want to lock those front brakes up and burn some rubber in a car cruise or something.
Yep. Damn.
What do you think of her?
Yeah, it's a cool car. It's fast. It's got some good pull.
The guys did a good job tuning it up.
Yeah, they did.
Like I said, as soon as we get that temp up, it's going to just, that choke comes off. You won't have that hesitation there. Here's your synchros. I'm not sure exactly. I didn't look at the check-in sheet to see what gear ratio it's got, but it's got some nice friendly gears. There's your second gear synchro.
Synchro's right down in.
Got 30. I'm going to try this first again once. Careful. 3. It wraps up nice now that it's warmed up.
Cool car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.